If I give you two options right now, option A, 1 crore rupees cash today in your account, or option B, 1 single rupee that doubles every single day for the next 30 days, which do you take? If you pick the crore, and most people do, you just walked away from 53 crore rupees. 53 crore from 1 rupee. That is not a magic trick, that is compounding. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the one formula that makes this math stupid simple so you never make that mistake again. Let's get into it. First, what is actually happening inside that doubling rupee? There is one formula that explains everything. It is called the rule of 72. Here it is. 72 divided by your annual return equals the number of years it takes to double your money. That's it. No Excel, no financial calculator, no CFA degree. Just 72 divided by your return. Let me show you. If you earn 12% a year, which is roughly what a good index fund delivers over the long term, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Your money doubles every 6 years. Every single 6. Now let me make this real with actual numbers. You are 25 years old. You earn 30,000 rupees a month. Nothing crazy. You start investing just 5,000 rupees every single month at 12%. Year 1, you've invested 60,000 rupees. It has grown to 67,200. Honestly, that looks boring. Your friends are not impressed, but stay with me. Year 6. The rule of 72 just kicked in for the first time. Your first 60,000 has doubled, and with continued SIPs, your total is now over 5 lakh rupees. Okay, now it's getting interesting. Year 12, you are 37. 2 doubling cycles complete. The money you invested in year 1, it has doubled. Then doubled again. 4 times your original investment. Your total portfolio over 21 lakh rupees. And you have still only invested 7,20,000 out of pocket. But here is where it gets ridiculous. Year 18, 3 doubling cycles, over 65 lakh rupees. Your actual investment? Just under 11 lakh rupees. The market has given you 54 lakh rupees for free, for doing nothing, for just staying invested. Year 24, you are 49 years old. 4 full doubling cycles. Your 14.4 lakh rupees of actual invested money has become over 95 lakh rupees, nearly 1 crore, from 5,000 rupees a month. Do you see the pattern? The money doesn't grow in a straight line. It explodes at the end. The last doubling is bigger than everything before it combined. That little 1 rupee doubling everyday example? On day 29, it was worth 26 crore. On day 30, 53. The final day added more than all the previous 29 days put together. Now here's the part no one is telling you. Every year you delay starting your SIP, you don't just lose that year's investment. You lose the last doubling, the one at the end, the one worth crores. Let me show you. Same 5,000 rupees, same 12%. But you start at 30 instead of 25. You only get 3 doubling cycles before you turn 54. Your portfolio is around 52 lakh rupees. That 5-year delay just cost you 43 lakh rupees. 43 lakh. Gone. Because you waited 5 years. The math does not care about your reasons. It does not care that you were building an emergency fund or paying off a loan or waiting for the right time to start. The rule of 72 runs on one thing only. Time in the market, not timing the market. Markets fall, patient investors build. So now you know the math, let me give you the action. Step 1. Start a SIP today. Not next month, not when the market corrects, today. Even if it's just 500 rupees, the amount matters less than the start. Step 2. Pick a plain vanilla index fund, Nifty 50 or Sensex, with a 10-year track record and a low expense ratio. You do not need to pick winning stocks. The index does the work. Step 3. Never stop the SIP. Market crashes? Keep the SIP going. Election panic? Keep the SIP going. Your neighbor tells you he's making 30% in crypto? Keep the SIP going. The rule of 72 doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards consistency every single time. If this video gave you clarity, if it showed you that 5,000 rupees and 24 years of patience can build you nearly a crore, then please share it with one person in your life who's still waiting for the perfect time to start investing. That one share might be the nudge they need to stop delaying and start building. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Build to Hold, because every week we break down exactly how to build real long-term wealth with clarity, with data, and without the hype.